Joy was trying to keep her mouth shut, which of course was impossible.
Oh, snap.
Snap what?
I know you. You're that boy from school that used to have those panic attacks. You'd have to lay on the cold floor and suck your fingers. We used to call you Floor Finger Sucker.
Oh, yeah? Huh? Yeah, I wasn't the only one in high school with a nickname that ended in sucker.
But unlike you, my nickname just made me more popular. Floor Finger Sucker.
Say it again.
Floor Finger Sucker.
No. If I take the tape off, you're just gonna call me Floor Finger Sucker again.
Floor Finger Sucker!
All the stress was really getting to Dwayne, so he snuck off to my parents' bathroom to suck on his fingers and